Hi, we're going to cook pork steak curry sauce. The pork we're going to use is a pork loin. We need about a little bit over a pound. So, see? So we cut it slice like that. One. I think we probably take about 4 or 5 pieces. Like that. I think that's good enough. So we're going to cook 4 pieces. You can cook it just like that, or I usually kind of hit it with the bed of the knife, like that. Just go through it a few times, you know. Then you cut it small pieces like that. So easier to cook, see, like that. Okay, then we cut all of them like that. You don't have to hit it real hard because you don't want to go through. You just hit the surface, and the side here is a little top area, so you have to cut it. You know, you have to cut it like that. So, and that other piece here. Okay, that's about it. After that, 1 egg in it. And you put some salt, just sprinkle some salt in it. It don't have to be that much, you know, like that. And some white pepper. Here's some gingers in it. Okay. Then we're gonna mix them up. Put a little cornstarch in it. About 3 tablespoons. About 3 tablespoons. All right, then and after that we put some oil into it. Like that. So making kind of not too sticky, okay. Then you just let it marinate them a little bit. Okay, then now we're going to cut up some potato. Okay. And we wash them. Okay, then we're going to cut them up. Cut them in a little bigger chunk. That big. Okay. And we put them in, we cook them separately, like in boiling them first. So you put them in boiling water. Let it cook for a few minutes, then we'll check it with a fork so you can go through. Okay. We're gonna fry up the pork steak. Wait until the oil hot, then you put that in, okay? Okay, so we got it all in there. So you can fry them and they will turn brown. So you're browning them and they will easy to cook. Usually after you browning them two sides and they should be done. See, we're browning them. Okay, then we can try that the potatoes. See, it's soft. Oh, they're pretty soft. So we cook them a little bit longer. See, you can see them. See, they go in like that. Okay. So it should be done when this is ready. Alright, then I think, see, you can see them browning, then you flip them over. Yeah, see, like that, and probably need another few minutes, then should be done. I think it'll cook at least a couple more minutes, and should be done. Okay. And done, and the thing is done too. We pick up some of the browned one already cooked, you know. Alright, then we flip this up. Okay, so we're gonna start cooking the sauce. Okay, turn it high, and we're going to put some oil in it. That's enough. Alright, then we're going to put that ginger in it, and we're going to use some of the onions, and peppers, red peppers, and celery, and broccoli and carrot. Then we'll put some black pepper in it. Okay, then put some water into it. You have the cup. Just enough to cover the bottom, you know. Little cooking wines. Couple teaspoons. And about 4 teaspoons of curry powder in it. And two teaspoons of sugar. Maybe sesame seed oil. I think we need a little bit more water, at least cover the top. It start boiling, and the oyster sauce, we are going to put it down. 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. We use around 2.5 tablespoons. Okay, then so we have to make the gravy. You have to wait until it's boiling, and you put the gravy in it. That's a cornstarch and water. And this one, Then you put a little bit at a time. Don't put too much at one time. Little bit in it. Because the potato usually they are fixing the sauce too. We're gonna add the pork chop in it. The pork chop in it and the onions in it. I'm gonna put a little bit more sesame seed oil in it. I think that's it. Okay. Pork steak with curry sauce.